Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make keema like dhaba or restaurant style. It's very easy to cook. For that I need keema or minced mutton, clean and washed previously, 3 to 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 green chili, some dry ingredients like bay leaves, cloves or long, black pepper, cinnamon stick, cardamom, fresh mint leaves, fresh coriander, 2 potato, 2 onion, 2 tomatoes. I'm going to need corn oil. You can use any oil you need. Freshly homemade cumin powder, homemade garam masala, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili, salt to taste. I'm also going to use this type of dish to cook the food. I have used 3 spoons of this corn oil. I'm going to add my all dry ingredients which I have showed you previously. Add onion in that. As you can see, the flame is high. I need this onion to get really reddish golden brown. Yep, so you can see this is how it looks like. Now it's ready. I'm going to add my minced mutton or keema into it. Just put it in and mix it well. Now the main thing in this recipe is that you need to mix it really well. After each and every step you need to keep on mixing. You need to give that nice soothing smell. I'm going to add salt. It's completely your choice. It's according to your taste. And 3 to 4 spoons of ginger garlic paste. This is my homemade ginger garlic paste. You can take any ginger garlic paste you have. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it again really well, and after some few mixing you can see this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to add in that very thinly chopped tomatoes. You can see it's really juicy. I'm going to mix it really well again. As I said, you should keep on mixing after each and every steps if you need that nice smell in your keema. Now I'm going to see, as you can see, I'm going to add my turmeric, just half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm not going to add too much because I'm going to put also green chili in the last, and just mix it well. Again, same step, mix, mix, mix on high flame. Yeah, we want this tomato to get really nicely melt with onion. You can see how I'm mixing it. I'm mashing it, all the ingredients all together. I'm not letting it leave all by itself. You can see I'm mashing all the tomato and all the onions. Now as you can see, everything is mixed and blanched really well. I'm going to add my potatoes. I didn't chop too thin or too big, just normal sized potatoes. Mix, mix, mix. Now instead of potatoes you can add green peas if you want. I'm going to add 1 glass of water for potatoes to melt, and I'm going to mix it well. You can put green peas, you can put potato, you can put you can avoid potatoes if you want, but I like potatoes, so I'm going to cover it up with this. If you don't have this type of dish in your home, it's okay, just keep it longer time to cook. Here, now this is how it looks like. Look at that, it smells yum. It's almost done, it's almost ready. I'm going to keep it on the low flame. You can see the oil is out, all the spices is ready. It smells really good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some nice heavenly smell spices. So I'm going to add to that little bit of roasted cumin powder, which is almost 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, which I showed you earlier, and 1 teaspoon of homemade garam masala powder. You can always comment if you need the recipe for homemade garam masala powder. I will show it to you. and then mix it really well. Again, mix. And now I'm going to add my mint, coriander and green chili, which I have chopped it earlier. So just put it in, mix it, and I'm going to do my plating in, just to show you guys how it looks like. Look at that. It smells yum. You can eat it with any pita bread, normal bread, Indian bread, or rice, or whatever you like. It's yummy. Look at that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.